Nakakasira ng sasakyan ang 5 driving habits na to. Una, laging nagmamaneho na mababa o close to empty na ang fuel. You might think na nakakatipid ka pero this habit, kung palagi na lang, could eventually damage yung fuel pump. Ang fuel pump sa loob ng tangke relies on the fuel for lubrication and heat dissipation. Kung lagi na lang low o almost empty, in the long run, pwedeng madamage ang fuel pump due to the lack of lubrication and no fuel to dissipate heat. To avoid costly repairs, make it a habit to refuel kapag quarter full na lang ang fuel tank. Pangalawa, not paying attention to your gauges sa dashboard. Hindi lang pa-display ang mga ilaw na nakikita sa ating gauge cluster. May iba't ibang lights and warning prompts na kapag lumabas could indicate a problem sa sasakyan. Addressing them immediately prevents further damage. Halimbawa, kapag tumataas ang temperature gauge above normal o umilaw na ang temperature warning light, this could indicate that the engine is about to overheat. Have your cooling system inspected and make it a habit na bago bumiyahe, always check your coolant level at mag-top up kung kailangan. Pangatlo, biglaang acceleration at hard braking. Bukod sa nakakaaksaya ito sa gas, sudden accelerations cause unnecessary load at stress sa ating makina at pati na rin sa transmission that could lead to premature wear and tear. Hard braking naman could lead to excessive and early wear ng ating mga brake components gaya ng mga brake pads, brake shoe o rotors. As much as possible, accelerate smoothly and anticipate stops para gentle lang ang braking. Hindi lang maganda sa sasakyan, pati mga pasahero mo matutuwa dahil smooth lang ang ride. Pang-apat, lack of proper maintenance. Huwag lang mag-rely sa PMS o preventive maintenance schedule. Before going on long drives, always check your block baguettes. Pagdating naman sa car fluids, bukod sa engine oil, may iba pang car fluids na kailangan ding i-monitor at palitan sa tamang schedule. Isa na siguro sa pinakamahalaga ay itong engine coolant. Ang coolant kasi ang fluid na nagsi-circulate papunta at palabas ng makina para hindi mag-overheat at mapanatili sa ideal temperature. Regular na i-check ang coolant level sa coolant reserve at mag-top up kung bumaba na sa recommended level. Kung schedule naman ng magpalit, hindi ma-void ang warranty if you choose a high-quality coolant that meets or even exceeds the manufacturer's recommendation. For Asian cars, you can never go wrong with this trusted premium brand, Prestone Coolants. It is the only coolant with CoreGuard anti-corrosion technology kaya ito lang ang may 5 times superior cooling formula. And it is compatible with any Asian car brand, even for hybrid o electric vehicles. Hindi ka pa mahihirapang pumili dahil nakaspecify na rin ang car brand sa bote ng Prestone. Kaya naman, para iwas overheat, iwas kalawang, siguradong compatible, choose Prestone. Panlima, overloading at pagmamaneho ng mabilis sa mga potholes o yung mga malalalim na lubak. These driving habits are particularly bad para sa mga pangilalim ng sasakyan, kaya ng shocks, ball joints, tie rods at pati na rin sa ating mga gulong. In addition, overloading also puts unnecessary load and stress sa engine, transmission, and brake components that could lead to premature wear and tear. Safety issue din kapag overloaded dahil it could lead to increased stopping distance and reduced braking effectiveness. Alamin ang load limit ng iyong sasakyan at huwag itong lagpasan. As much as possible, slow down when passing through potholes o yung mga malalalim na lubak. Tandaan at iwasan ang 5 driving habits na to lalo sa mga babiyahe ngayong holidays. Para naman sa 5 times cooling protection formula, iwas overheat, iwas kalawang,